Alright, real quick. I ain't gonna take up too much of your time. This is real quick. When I made the blog about the loaded and the hollow shit and all that, I made some hints about an event. I still can't tell you what the fuck is going on. I will say that I'm trying to put together a huge battle to happen in upstate New York. That's all the fuck I can say, right? The reason for this blog is that I want you, the fans, the viewers, whatever the fuck you identify yourself as, is to tell me what would be the dream upstate matchup. Like what two niggas, both niggas from upstate New York, would that like that'd be the upstate version of the loaded hollow joint. You know what I'm saying? So this your job. You know what I'm saying? To tell me the matchup that y'all want to see, because I want to put that as the undercard. Because the main event, like we're gonna make history, point blank, period. But I want the people to be able to pick their undercard. You know what I'm saying? So that's how that's gonna go down. You know what I mean? So like I said, quick blog. I ain't gonna take up your time and none of that. So make sure in the motherfucking comments and all that, y'all put what you motherfuckers y'all want to see go at it. And I'm gonna try my best to pick the most. I mean, the one that's got the most. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try to put it together. If I can, I go to the second most and so forth and so on. You know what I'm saying? But we will get one of those battles, and we gonna make that shit happen. And when I tell y'all the main event to this shit, ooh wee. But like I said, this is nice and sweet and short. It's your boy Pone Dollar signing off. EMG, we in the building. Yeah.